not even here. I don't believe it.
That was flying beautiful too.
I wonder if we had elevator flutter or something.
The elevators came off, I seen it.
Oh, the elevators came off first, or the horizontals came off?
I'm sorry, the horizontals.
Yeah, I seen the horizontals come
Oh,
off.
I seen.
But I'm wondering if I wonder if the elevators fluttered and that's what came off.
And I could see a glare back there in the tail, and about that time, both sides ripped off even. Yeah, both sides, and they just kept flipping. Of course, without that. God, that thing.
Elevator flutter. You know what's funny is we balanced the fucking. You know, see, we balanced the ailerons.
Yeah.
See them up there?
Yeah, when you get that big, the vibration can eat you up quick. God damn, that was a beautiful flying ship.
Boy, that's a shame, man. All right, this is the picture of our elevator's servo installation where it goes back. We just wanted to focus on this and show that this was a solid installation. And you can see those servos are well mounted, and there shouldn't be flutter back in there. There we go. Yeah, that's it right there. So we can see here that the elevator fluttered, and here and ripped this across straight in there, apparent on both sides. There's where that one came off. You see that split almost right about where the elevator goes in.